Okay. Or I should do my normal intro. Alright, welcome back to another one of my videos. This is probably one of the most well-built tabletop models I've ever seen. I've owned this for a few years now. This is a really good set actually. But this is like if the RCA Globetrotter was a tabletop model, because it's already like a portable model, or at least I think it is. But yeah, this is like RCA's tabletop version of like Zenith's Transoceanic. It is very, very well constructed. Made in Indiana. It's a 1968-ish RCA. It has like 7 TRF units and 16 transistors, so completely overpowered. Has some pretty weird looking transistors too. It's like a germanium, but one of the wires is coming out of the top of it, and it is a transistor, I found out. But made in Indianapolis, Indiana. It's either 1968, like mid 1968 or before, because it measures things in kilocycles and 60 cycles per second. So it's a bit of an older model, and look at this, it has one of these things on it too. So right at the switch of tubes to transistors. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if this chassis, or if this cabinet was used on a few tube models. But anyways, I've had this for a few years now. Has all the fancy things, has on and off volume, FM, and then it has AFC, and AM, has tone and tuning. It also has a little tuning gauge down there. So you can see it's on right now. It's about midway. Sometimes it gets stuck midway, so you have to kind of tap it. As you can see, it's kind of stuck right now. But anyways, this is a really well-built radio. It has dual speakers. It's completely solid state. Little underside view. And maybe I'll do some night tuning on this. AM is pretty touchy. Hold on, let me try to get that tuning gauge. I don't want to get copywritten. But yeah, that tuning gauge is kind of cool to have. Oh, well, now it's going to get stuck right in the middle for it being on the low. Oh, come on. Whatever. We'll just not focus on that for now. Maybe I'll get that. Maybe I need some... It needs some work. Quite touchy. This is on AM. Oh, we got something low band. See if we can get the heavy metal station. That's in heavy metal station in Minneapolis, I believe. Shout out to all my Minnesotans out there. From your neighbor. That might be it right there. Oh well, let's go to FM.
.34 is Reboyne. 6.
Now I'll do a...
7-0 in conference play. They will go this way. The crowd that I was with. Now Wilson will get the ball.
Problem solver. The Air National Guard never.
Play that makes me smile, brought to you by.
I bet it's probably. Facts number complex.
Coaches.
So, yeah, maybe I'll do some night tuning. Hey, look at that, I got it balanced. Maybe I'll do some night tuning with this thing. It is a really good receiver of stations. Yeah, the speakers are actually dual coned, so that's pretty cool. Probably why it sounds so nice. Yeah, there is some pretty funky components on the inside. I guess I don't know anything else to say about this, so I guess I'll just cut the video right here. Anyways, a little 60s cool thing from the 60s. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching.